Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to keep desktop icons from moving when undocking in Windows 11 or 10. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to power on your computer and wait for Windows to fully load. Give it a moment to complete the startup process so everything is ready to go. Once your desktop appears and all your icons are visible, you're ready to move forward with the fix. Now here's where we solve the problem. Navigate to your Windows desktop and right-click on any empty space. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, hover your cursor over the option labeled View to reveal a submenu with additional settings. This is where you'll find the key feature that controls how your icons behave. In the submenu that appears, look for an option called Auto Arrange Icons. This feature is usually the culprit behind icons repositioning themselves when you undock your laptop. If you see a check mark next to Auto Arrange Icons, that means the feature is currently enabled. Simply click on it once to remove the checkmark and disable the feature. By turning this off, you're telling Windows to stop automatically rearranging your icons, which means they'll stay exactly where you place them even after you undock your laptop or change display configurations. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Auto Arrange feature, which should keep your desktop icons in place when undocking. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.